Third problem, simplify the expression. So this is the expression minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. We need to simplify this. So let's start the solution. So in solution, first of all, I will write what is given, minus 1 by 4 plus 5 upon 12. If you see the denominators are 4 and 12. So we need to take out the LCM of 4 and 12. So let us write down LCM of 4 and 12. So 4 and 12, you know that in 4 table you will get 12. So the LCM is 12. Okay. So that is 12. We need to convert this minus 1 by 4, this denominator, we need to convert into 12. So how we can do it? So we need to multiply this with 3. 3 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 by 4 threes are 12. Okay. And the next number we are already having, that is 5 by 12. So now we can add this. So what is that? Minus 3 by 12 plus 5 by 12. So since the denominators are same, we can write 12 and minus 3 plus 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2 by 12. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So we got 1 by 6. So lastly we can write, therefore the result of minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12 is 1 by 6.